Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to verify your identity on Bluevine. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Let's just get straight into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard through the website or your mobile app. If verification is pending, you're going to see a prompt that's labeled verify your identity. So just go ahead and tap that to begin. Next step is to enter your personal details exactly as they appear on official documents. This includes your full legal name, your date of birth, social security number, and your current residential address. Next step is to upload a valid government-issued photo ID. Acceptable forms include a driver's license, state ID, or passport. On mobile, you can use your phone's camera to scan both the front and the back clearly. Step 4, if requested, complete a selfie check. Position your face within the on-screen circle and just follow the prompt to capture a live image for comparison with your ID. Final step, submit the information and wait for Bluevine to confirm. Most verifications are completed within minutes, but some may take up to 24 hours, so just wait it out. Once verified, your account unlocks full access to deposits, transfers, and payments. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So if you liked it, hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.